Welcome to the Arithmetic course. Arithmetic forms the foundation of mathematics. First of all, no type of prerequisite is required in order to be able to follow this course. Why learning arithmetic? Here we have 3 reasons. Provides practical skills that can be useful in everyday life. Obviously, since arithmetic is the foundation of mathematics, it is necessary to be able to study more advanced mathematical courses. Finally, it allows you to develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. What are the real applications of arithmetic? Finance and marketing, essential for budgeting, financial management, financial goals. Science and engineering. Mathematics is the basis of all other scientific subjects, such as chemistry, physics, and biology. Education. Arithmetic is the foundation, so it will be necessary for all the rest of math. Everyday life. It is useful in small daily tasks. This is an overview of the topics we will cover. The first section is that of numbers, where we will give an introduction to arithmetic, numbers, operations in them, and much more, even more than what is shown on the screen. Then we will move on to fraction, what they are, operations with fractions, how to simplify them, and much more. Then we will move on to decimals, what they are, operations in decimal, and so on. Then we will have a section on percentages, ratios and proportions, conversions, etc. A section on units of measurement and conversions. Then everything related to measurement systems, metric, imperial, the International System of Units of Measurement, SI, conversions between temperatures, and more. Finally, we will have a section on other concepts, such as some special cases of arithmetic and some fundamental components of mathematics.